What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach Hartley and welcome back to another video. In this one, we are going to do a quick update on a very exciting company called Canadian North Resources. Their stock chart is showing some good opportunities, and so I want to point it out to you, break down my analysis, and give you a quick update on the company. Let's jump right in. Okay, so Canadian North Resources trades in Canada under the ticker symbol CNRI. They also trade in the US on the OTCQX exchange under the ticker symbol CNRSF. They're also available in Europe, and as of right now, the price is $3.35 Canadian. They have a headquarters in Toronto, and the current market cap for the corporation is about $365 million. This is what their logo looks like underneath, and their website is cnresources.com. Now, this is a sponsored video, but the business model at Canadian North Resources is pretty exciting. They're an exploration and development company that is focused on the critical metals for the clean energy, electric vehicles, battery, and high-tech industry. So basically, they're trying to explore and develop projects that are eventually going to mine for the critical metals that we use in the electric vehicle revolution, the drive for clean energy, and all of these high-tech industries like chip manufacturing. Now, the reason I'm so excited about this stock right now is because the stock chart is coming in at a very interesting, basically, pattern. And so what I want to show you here is we've got a little bit of consolidation where we have a previous high of $3.22, and when I made my last video, we hadn't quite got to that point, but since then we have broken out and now we are coming back down to this key level. We also have some major support here right around $2. You can see that we bounced off here in June of last year. We bounced off again at the end of the year. We bounced off again in basically June, July of this year, and now we have started to run up. And so what's happening here is we were trading within a channel and we had resistance on the top. We broke out of resistance, and now we are having a healthy little pullback. The market is always going to have ups and downs, and so we are in a healthy little pullback right now where we are retesting this key level that acted as resistance, and now we are looking for it to act as support. And so I've drawn a basically thin line here, but realistically this support level is actually about plus or minus maybe 3 to 5% of that line on either side. And so it is kind of a thick band that goes across here, and we are looking for the price action, basically meaning these candles here, to bounce off of that support level and continue higher. That would be a healthy pullback and a continuation of this bullish direction. We are also seeing pretty good support from our moving average here on our 20-day period, this blue line, and then our 50-day period is coming up in behind. And so this is an exciting time for the chart because we have broken out of consolidation, we are retesting support now, and we are looking for that bounce off. If I was trading this short term, I would be putting my stop loss at around $3.10, maybe $3. But I'd be looking for that bounce off of support. Now, if it breaks down through that level, then what we are looking for is our next levels of support. That's probably going to be right here around $2.70, and then down here at $2. If we break through the first level of support, we're looking for the next level and then the next level. And if we fell below $2, that would be the confirmation of a bearish sign. But we are a long ways away from that, and things right now are looking pretty good. As long as this level holds up, this is going to be a great opportunity to get in on a pullback is what this would be as of right now. Now, in my last video, I didn't really get a chance to touch on a couple other things the company is doing, and so I want to touch on it in this video. First thing is their commitment to ESG. The company has done a good job of not only hiring the locals, but also trying to have a positive impact on the local Nunavut economy. This company is pretty far up north, and they're kind of big operation compared to what is out there. And so the more people that they can hire from the local region, the more positive impact they can have on the local economy, the better it is for Canada and the people of the area. They're also basically watching their footprint. They have a full-time wildlife monitor, and they have on-site incinerators to deal with all of their non-toxic trash. And so they're taking all of the steps to try and be positive members of the community, interact positively with the existing locals and the existing nations that are already there, and try and be something that is going to add to the economy and not take away from it. Because here's a map of where their location is. They are located in Nunavut, and as you can see, there's lots of opportunity around them. There's lots of other mines around them, and they are in a unique spot, but they're very far north, and it's pretty sparse out there. They are 100% owned though, which is very, very nice to see. A lot of these projects out here are joint ventures and companies that own a little bit here and there. And this project is kind of like a diamond in the rough. It's 100% owned, it's high grade, and it has the option for both open pit and underground mineral resources. And they have a year-round camp set up with that airstrip and that base that I showed you. They can actually hold up to 55 people there, and it looks pretty efficient. So very exciting, nice operations there. And when you look at the management team that's kind of organizing everything, the thing that sticks out to you is the experience. So if you just look at their director, over 25 years. If you look at their CEO, over 30 years. If you look at their VP of exploration, over 30 years. If you look at their technical advisor, over 35 years experience. And so this is a team that has done this before. This is a team that's been in the industry for a while. And this is a team that you couldn't really ask for more experience with. Like these guys have been through it. They've done it. They've seen the highs and lows. And this is probably the right team for this sort of project, because this isn't an easy one, but it is a huge opportunity here. Now, the next steps for the company here are that we are looking for more samples and waiting for results from the drill programs. We are also going to recalculate the inferred and indicated resource numbers. They're also going to have to update the deposit model, notify shareholders, and then start to perform a pre-feasibility study and an economic analysis. And so those are the next steps over the next basically couple of years that they need to go through. But it's really these drill results that are going to come back and kind of show us what we are dealing with. And I think that's going to be the next big catalyst that we see from this company. So I'm really looking forward to that, because the most recent drill results that came back looked really good. Now, if you want to stay up to date on that, you want to get the latest news and be updated when those drill results come out, they do have an investor update basically section at the bottom of their website that you can sign up for. I will put a link to that in the description to this video. You also need to add it to your watch list, and make sure you're following and subscribed to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. But in summary, it's an exciting exploration company. They've made some major progress recently, and they have great potential for full production or an asset sale, which is really nice, because as they prove out this resource more and more and more, the more options will come to the table. And you can kind of get in on this as it's breaking out to new highs. So I like it. I think there's a good opportunity here. And I'm going to be watching this stock chart very, very closely over the next few days. I think we're retesting support. If not, I'll be looking for support at $2.75, $2.80, and then $2. And I think we're going to see a bounce at least one of those levels. So I think there's a good opportunity coming. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck trading, good luck investing, and we'll see you soon.